just want to give a small update about the Wollongong campus. Actually, we have around 160 nationalities representing in our Wollongong campus. We have everything. You name anything which is near. We have the facilities near our university. It's 90 minutes from Sydney CBD. It's the third largest city in New South Wales. We have around 17 patrolled surf beaches over there, and almost 11 national parks within the 50 kilometers radius. And most importantly, it's a very diversified campus. We have religious services, including campus has got a Muslim prayer space. We have the Omar Mosque inside. We have the Buddhist temple. We have the Hindu temple. So it's a very diversified campus in Australia. Um, some of our achievements in the past years is like first and foremost is we are the top 200 university. We are in the top 200 university in the world. To be exact, we are 196 in the world according to QS World Ranking 2021, which is the latest ranking. We are 201 to 250 band by Times Higher Education, which is a ranking which came out in 2020, which is this year. Again, we are 220th in academic ranking of world universities according to 2019 ARW. And we've been awarded as one of the best modern university, 14th in the world to be exact, QS Top 50 Under 50 Rankings 2021. And we also got ranked on the top rated graduates, which is top 1% globally, QS Graduate Employability Ranking 2020. These are some of the recent achievements which we have as a university, Wollongong, received in the past couple of months, to be honest. Some of our programs which we cover globally is we cover arts and humanities. We have business programs in our cohort. We have communication and media. We have creative arts, education. We have geography, health and medicine, information and communication technology, international studies, law. We cover physics, psychology, public health, science, social science, uh, mathematics and statistics, social work, and engineering. These are some of the programs which we cover in our university, in our mother campus in Australia. Um, this is a small information in a small nutshell about the University of Wollongong in Australia. I would like to now come to University of Wollongong in Dubai. I just need to give a small glance about the university, which we are representing from Dubai. Uh, we have around 44 degrees in total in the Dubai campus. As I told you, University of Wollongong, Dubai is one of the oldest university in the UAE. We've been established in 1993. We've been here for the last 27 years in the UAE. At the moment, we have in the campus more than 3,500 students. We are a very diversified campus in Dubai. We are talking about 108 nationalities within the campus, which itself is a big distinction between other universities in the UAE. So that is very evident when the moment you step into the campus. That's one of the biggest advantage you can see. And in the undergraduate program, if you see, we have around 22 undergraduate degrees and 22 in postgraduate. Globally, if you see, we are talking about 152,000 global alumni who are passed out of the university, which itself is a huge number when you compare to any other universities in this part of the world. So that's something which you really need to keep in mind when you're selecting your universities, when you're passing out of your school career. Uh, I will just go through the programs which we offer in Dubai. We are specialized in the area of engineering, computing and IT, in business studies, media and communication, social and health sciences. These are some of the areas which we specialize in. I'll go a little bit more detail into the programs which we offer. First, I'll go with the Faculty of Business, in which business and commerce programs. We have a degree called Bachelor of Commerce. Under that, we have a couple of specializations. We have management as a specialization, accountancy, finance, marketing, international business, and human resource management. These are the specializations we offer under the Bachelor of Commerce. And we have one more program under the business, which is the Bachelor of Business Administration. These are the programs if you're interested, inclined towards any business program, or you wanted to become an HR professional or any marketing person. these are some examples which I'm telling you, or you want to be an accountant. These are some of the programs which definitely you can look into it, and this will really help you out. And I just want to show you some of the companies which will be very familiar to you in the UAE. Some of our students are already working with this. The students who are passed out actually already working with this kind of companies, Deloitte, 3M, ADCB, Altair, Adidas, Emirates. If you see, these are some of the very prominent companies in the UAE. Our alumni are already there, which is proven success for University of Wollongong in this part of the region. Then we have the specialization. I'm just moving to the next specialization, which is Faculty of Engineering and Information Sciences, wherein which we cover computer science bachelor. We have a program called Bachelor of Computer Science. In that, we cover general software development program. If a student is very much interested into coding and very much a computer geek who is really interested in coding, then that's something which you can definitely look into it. We specifically look into cyber security, which is a buzzword over this part of in the world right now. Cyber security is something which is a buzzword across, everyone is talking. So which is in high demand also. So we have that program called Bachelor of Computer Science in Cybersecurity. We have another interesting program called Mobile and Game Development, and we have the highest demanded program, which is the Big Data. So if you see, not every universities offer the program Big Data, but we do offer over here. So that's something which you can definitely look into it. It's a very new program, which has got a lot of opportunities in the upcoming years in the world. And we have another program called as Bachelor of IT. We have a specialization over there, which is Management Information Systems. And we have core engineering programs also, which is the traditional programs. We have specialization in electrical, we have in mechanical, we have a civil engineering, we have computer telecommunication. Those are the traditional subjects which we cover under the Bachelor of Engineering program.
I just want to come here, Samuel, just to emphasize about the computer science program, because over the past 1 year or 2 years, we have been seeing quite an interesting growth in terms of the number of students enrolling in the computer science program. And this, as Samuel mentioned, reflects the trend in the market, the regional market. As you may have all noticed, of lately, there's been a lot of buzz about terminologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, cyber security or cyber crime, as well as data science or big data. So this, of course, creates the demand for professionals in these areas, because as the country, the UAE moves towards modernization and turning into being a smart country, there is high demand for students or graduates who are highly specialized. So we're not looking only here for students who studied computer science, but we're looking for more for students who have specialized in a specific area of computer science, such as digital system security or mobile and game development. By the way, mobile and game development is not only about developing mobile apps. It's more about animation, it's about robotics, it's about how to design simulation systems. So it's quite a diverse program. Big data, again, goes into data science and analysis of data that will help businesses make efficient, smart decisions. And then the IT management information systems, that's a program really for students who are interested to do computer science, but also have certain interest towards business studies, but they don't want to do a pure business study degree, and they don't want to do a pure hardcore programming degree. So you do a management information systems, which develops the knowledge and skills required to have a strong understanding of business management as well as computer science. And these are the students who graduate to be typically systems designers. So they are able to understand the business needs, and they're able to translate that need into a technical language where a computer scientist can understand, to develop a software that will help businesses be more efficient and effective. So very interesting group of specializations under computer science there. As you would have noticed in the first slides, when Samuel mentioned the programs being offered at UW Australia, we're offering more than 300 degrees in Australia. but in Dubai here, we every year we tend to adopt new programs from Australia in line with what's happening in the market. Because as a student, when you are investing your time and money in a degree, of course, you're looking for establishing a successful professional career in that area. So you ought to study a program that has demand in the job market. And for every program of our programs, we have what we call industry advisors. So these are high-ranking professionals from different companies that advise us on what they look for in graduates, what specializations they expect to emerge in the near future. And based on that, we try to adopt new programs that will help you as students to prepare for your careers in the market. And then the engineering program, in addition to these specializations, also want to mention that we will be introducing a new major beginning of next year, which is basically mechatronics engineering. And one interesting part about Bachelor of Engineering also is that the first 2 years of the program is really a common degree program where students build a